Hello friends, welcome to today's class, and today we are going to talk about aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acid. One of the chapter in 2nd PUC and 12th CBSE. It's a very important part in organic chemistry. So in all these three organic structures, whether it is aldehydes, ketones or carboxylic acid, the one thing we are going to find is carbonyl group, C double bond O. C double bond O is the common part in aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acid. So one of the organic compound containing carbonyl group is aldehyde. So let us talk about aldehyde first. So in aldehyde, as you can see, it is also having carbonyl group C double bond O, but adjacent to this carbonyl group you can find one hydrogen. So this is aldehydic structure. You can also write it in a condensed form, CHO form, that is aldehyde. And in all these aldehydes, the name ends, the suffix ends with al, al. Al is the suffix for aldehyde group. Now the first member of aldehyde is methanol. One carbon aldehyde is called as methanol. As you can see here in this aldehyde group, carbonyl group, one adjacent hydrogen atom. This is a one carbon carbonyl group containing aldehyde. So another bond is going to associate it with the hydrogen. This is methanol, one carbon aldehyde, methanol, and the common name is formaldehyde. Common name is formaldehyde. So as you can see, the name ends with al, methanol. And you can write also in the condensed form. The condensed form of formaldehyde is this one. In this way also you can write the condensed structure. The second member of aldehyde is 2 carbon aldehyde. It is ethanol. As you know, if there are 2 carbon atoms, the name starts with eth, and 2 carbon alkane is ethane. So as it contains aldehyde group, the name ends with al, ethanol. So the condensed structure of ethanol is CH3CHO. So this is the second member of aldehyde, ethanol, and the common name of ethanol is acetaldehyde. Followed by the third member is 3 carbon containing aldehyde, CH3CH2CHO, and the name is propanol, or you can say common name propanaldehyde. That also you can mention. And if the same aldehyde group, if it is associated with aromatic ring, say for example benzene ring, then the name is benzaldehyde. And in the benzene ring, if you find 2 adjacent aldehyde group, then the name is benzene 1,2 dicarbaldehyde. Benzene 1,2 dicarbaldehyde. So this is about the introduction of aldehyde and the naming. Let us move to the second organic compound having carbonyl group, and it is ketone. So ketone, as you can see, this is a representation. As I said, ketone also having carbonyl group, and adjacent to this carbonyl group, both right side and left side, you can find carbon chain. R is a carbon chain, or you can say alkyl chain, carbon chain. So to this carbonyl group, both the sides you can find carbon chain. That class of organic compound is considered as ketone, and the name of the ketone is going to end with a suffix called -one. -one. The suffix is -one. So the first member begins with 3 carbon. The first member of ketone is going to begin with 3 carbon atom. There is no 1 carbon ketone, because as I said, to the carbonyl group, both the side the carbon chain should be there. So the first member starts with 3 carbon, and the 3 carbon ketone is propanone, because prop is the root word used for 3 carbon. 3 carbon alkane is propane, and as it contains keto group, so the name ends with -one, propanone. And the common name of propanone is acetone, remember, because we are going to use this in so many places. The common name of propanone is acetone. Followed by the next member, the 4 carbon containing ketone is called as butane, because root word for 4 carbon is but. So butane 2-one, because the second carbon containing the carbonyl group, or we can say keto group. So to the second carbon, as you can find the keto group, the name is butane 2-one, or you can also say methyl ethyl ketone. This is methyl group CH3, and this C2H5 is ethyl group. So methyl ethyl ketone also you can say. The next organic compound containing carbonyl group is carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. Here to this carbonyl group, adjacent to that you can find one OH group, hydroxy group. This is carboxylic acid. In condensed form you can also write it as COOH. In this condensed form also you can write this carboxylic acid. To the carbonyl group adjacent you can find one OH group, that is carboxylic acid. Now the suffix of carboxylic acid is oic acid. The name is going to end with oic acid. For example, the first carbon, 1 carbon carboxylic acid is methanoic acid, because meth is the root word used for 1 carbon. So the first member is methanoic acid. Common name is formic acid. Like how the common name for methanol is formaldehyde, similarly the common name for 1 carbon carboxylic acid is formic acid. So in formic acid, in methanoic acid, to this common functional group, this is the common functional group for carboxylic acid, the another valency of the carbon atom is going to associate with hydrogen. In condensed form you can write HCOOH. This is methanoic acid or formic acid. Followed by the second member of carboxylic acid is 2 carbon, and 2 carbon root word is eth, so the name is ethanoic acid, CH3COOH, or common name is acetic acid. If you find carboxylic group to the aromatic benzene ring, then it is considered as benzoic acid or benzene carboxylic acid. So aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acids are the 3 organic compounds you can find in them carbonyl group. Let us move to the next part of the chapter, and that is the nature of carbonyl group. This is carbonyl group, C double bond O, and as you can see the carbon is associated with double bond. So of course the nature of hybridization is sp2. Wherever carbon atom having double bond, the hybridization is sp2. And in this carbonyl group, total around the carbon atom you can find 4 bonds. Out of that 4 bond, the 3 single bonds are sigma bonds. 3 sigma bond is there, and in carbon-carbon double bond, 1 bond is pi bond. So out of 4 bonds, 3 bonds are sigma, 1 bond is pi bond. And all these 3 sigma bonds are going to separated by an angle of 120 degree. These 3 sigma bonds are going to separated by an angle of 120 degree. And the nature of carbon-oxygen bond in carbonyl group. The nature of carbon-oxygen bond is polar. Polar in the sense between carbon and oxygen, oxygen is more electronegative, and it is going to withdraw all the electrons present between carbon and oxygen in the form of bond, sigma and pi bond. Because of more electronegative nature, oxygen gets delta negative and carbon gets delta positive. So that makes the carbon oxygen bond in carbonyl group is polar due to electronegativity difference. So more about this chapter we are going to discuss in another session. Thank you students.